Hello everyone, today I'm in the laboratory and we will be restoring my old color music which I produced probably around the year 2000, if not assembled in 2020. Now let's see. Here's a set of various types of wires. This is the color music. It did not survive the move from Australia. This is how it arrived. Now let's take a closer look at the whole process. I'll tell you here's what and where. Oh, as for these dial indicators, they are here. You see it sways now to the sound of my voice. Of course, you can hear it just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and naturally we have an indication here for it to work just like this. There were constant pulsations and it's visible that our dial indicator is working. It's on. Solder the wire to the DIN. Solder it here to the DIN. Now if you can see it, one is indicated. You solder one of these contacts, which is located here on the dial indicator. This turns out to be the first contact. You solder it to the DIN. It picks up all the digital signals and transmits to you. In analogy, this kind of needle shaking like this, you can do it. Use them so that they work well. Almost everything is already assembled. Now we'll try. I still can't switch all the modes. I don't really like this mode. This one too. Here's the next mode. The next. Unfortunately, modes switch poorly. For some reason, there are always problems with this button. It switches to this mode, or we simply don't have enough energy. You don't need to power it, not 0.5 ampere from a standard USB output, like I connected via this long USB extension cord. You need to power it from 2 amperes, preferably from some kind of bavka. Then everything would work smoothly. Look, I connected it to the second one, which is on the second matrix, and through a wire at this pointer indicator, because when I added to this DIN here, my indicator just went off scale, and now look, they are on the same level. Each of them shows the same thing. Naturally, they move. They don't move that much. It also depends on the decibels in your apartment or where you will listen. In short, that's how it all works. It turned out cool. It even reacts to my voice like this. As I say, in short, these things that are inserted quickly, these quick release solderless connectors, complete nonsense. It doesn't solder at all. This is the second time I've soldered this wire. It flies off because aluminum is used here and I can't solder it. Darn, it's such crap. That's how to assemble such projects. I want to get rid of these combs altogether because there are only problems with them. Constant contact chatter and not soldering. Turns out that it's better to solder directly than to use these combs. Constant contact chatter. Then my device doesn't work correctly. Well, that's how it works. It's color music. As you can see, everything is... Well, this is how this music works. As you can see, everything is in order. Well, that's all for now, everyone.